Sarah, I was in bed all day, every day. And when I was standing up, I wanted to be in bed. And I prayed, God, help me or take me. Because I couldn't take it anymore. The pain was too much. And I didn't feel like I could be good to my kids or my family or the people around me. Because I know what that belly fire feels like. I have it. It burns deep. But my physical body wasn't working. And I came alive. Came alive. Alive!
Woo! Woo!
Because I didn't know the power of supplements. See, I did organic food for a living. My whole family was eating organic. My son was sick with ADHD, my husband high blood pressure, my little one sick all the time. We all start drinking it and we all create our own story. And it's been awesome. And isogenics, you guys, it blows my mind what we're a part of.
Yes.
What we have is amazing. So I start trying it, and women usually go first, right?
Yes.
We usually go first, and like Connie said, Murray called it Connie's crap. Because that's what we do. We go first, we try new things. So my husband watched me, and I said, I once said, you should maybe try it. And so he said to me after 8 weeks, fine, I'll try. He added a 4-letter word in there that starts with S. Trinor. But you're not putting me on Facebook. Now I just do, and usually I just say friends except for Chad Bliefernicht. Listen, he's lost 60 pounds. I didn't know that he had anxiety. Actually, I think 80, the whole process, but 60 pounds with isogenics and kept it. And that's just by him doing shake days. He's terrible at cleanse days. And he's committed to the lifestyle with me, which has completely opened up everything better for our life, which means we show up better as people.
Right.
Not just parents. Like we get defined by my kids' moms. Like no, because I am here to serve. Like so, in my first business, I was out to crush it, because I know how to crush it. Now I read a book called The Second Mountain. Jason West told me I didn't have to finish a book when I got what I needed from it. So it's a pretty boring book. I got what I needed from it. I realized I'm on my second mountain, where like I'm here. Look it for all of them, all of you. Like so, we have hope. We have faith, hope, and love, and we just keep sending it out and filling it back up again. So I'm going to teach you about something called LIA points, which